phonics friends, I'm so excited to have you with me today. We're going to make a special treat for Dad to eat today because where I come from in South Africa, it's Dad's special day on Sunday. So let's have a look at how we spell the name Dad. We use a capital letter because when we call Dad, we call him Dad, right? So big capital letter D makes a D sound, small letter A makes a sound, and small letter D makes another D sound. Are you ready to sound out the letters with me? D, A, D. Dad. There you go. How easy is it to spell Dad? Now, before we make Dad's special treat, we're also going to sing a song for Dad. Sometimes when you call Dad, you say Daddy. Well, that's what this song is about. Are you ready to sing with me? Big breath. There is a dad who I love lots, and Daddy is his name. D-A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. Yay! Fantastic singing. Now that you know the words, will you sing along with me a second time? Are you ready? Big breath in and out. There is a dad who I love lots, and Daddy is his name. D-A-D-D-Y, 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 and Daddy is his name. Yay! Fantastic singing, boys and girls. That's awesome. Of course, you don't have to wait for Father's Day to sing Daddy that lovely song. And you don't have to wait to make him a lovely treat. All right, are you ready to start? So, I've got a heart-shaped cookie cutter here, but if you don't have a cookie cutter or a heart shape, that's okay. You can use a plastic cup. I don't have a plastic cup, so I'm going to use a glass one. Please don't use a glass one by yourself because they can break and then the glass is very sharp. So I'm going to stick with my heart-shaped cookie cutter today. I've got my slice of bread here and I'm going to cut a heart shape in the middle of my bread slice. Bit tough to get through the bread because you have to go right through to the plate, so you might need to wiggle it a bit from side to side like that. Oh, okay. There we go. All right, so there, oopsie, it's nearly coming off. There we go. I have my heart shape. I might just take that little piece off the top. There it is. And there's my heart-shaped bread. Now, see in the middle there, that top section hasn't come off, so it's not a real proper heart shape. So I'll just take that out the middle there. Now we have a heart shape. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my plate over here. And then actually, I might leave the cookie cutter shape over the bread. There you are. You can see it like that. Because I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. If your dad doesn't like cheese or can't eat cheese, you can give him some hundreds and thousands or chocolate sprinkles. But this one's going to be a cheesy one for my dad. Okay, so there's the cheese in the heart shape on top of the bread, but I think I'm going to melt this cheesy sandwich for Dad, so I have to take the cookie cutter off because it can't go in the microwave or the oven for that matter. So I'm going to carefully lift the cookie cutter shape off. Oh, a few of the little cheese crumbs sprinkled on the side, but that's okay. There you have a heart-shaped sandwich for Dad. Now we're not going to waste the crusty part because that's also, well, it's supposed to be a heart shape. The heart shape in the crust didn't work out so well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze tomato sauce on the crusty part because I love to dip my sandwich in tomato sauce. If you want to try and make a heart shape, you can, but I don't think I'm going to try that. I think I'll just go around the edge of the crust with the messy tomato sauce. All right, there we go. Now I'm going to, it's messy. Just need my cloth over here. One second. There we are, just wipe my hands real quick. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in the microwave, which is just below here, for about 10 seconds. Now this is the part, boys and girls, where it might get a bit hot, so please ask an adult to help you. All right, into the microwave it goes, just for 10 seconds. We can count, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. 10 seconds. Let's see if our cheese melted, yeah? Oh, not quite. starting to melt around the edges. It's a bit cold. Another 10 seconds. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Let's have a look now. Oh, it's looking much better. Starting to melt a lot more. I think one last 10-second in the microwave and we'll be good. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready? Let's have a look. That is going to be so delicious. Daddy is going to love his heart-shaped sandwich. And if you really want to, you can put the tomato sauce one back around your heart shape. Then Daddy can dip the cheese into the tomato sauce. I might leave the tomato sauce off. I think that one didn't work out so well. So we'll leave that off. And we'll give Daddy a heart-shaped cheese melt sandwich. I hope he enjoys it, and I hope you make one for yourself too. Please remember to show me pictures and tell me what toppings you put on yours. I'd love to know. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.